So, ayan. Since bumili ako ng mga bagong products, ito try natin sila ngayon. Just pull back the hair like that. So, I'm from shift. And kapag night ako, I don't usually wash my face. This is what I use. I've been a user of this since 2024, 23. And hindi ako nagpa-breakout kasi this is the variant that I use. So I've been avid fan, and I can say naman it's true to its name. So micellar water lang. Hindi siya masyado kailangan ganun kadami. Dump mo lang. Basta observe siya ng cotton. And you don't need to rub your face that much. Doon lang siguro sa areas na you put a lot of products and madalas breakout. In my case, it's here and sa nose and sa kilay. Madalas akong puyat kumakailan, kaya rin siguro ako nag-breakout. So, nakita niyo yun? Ganda ng effect sa skin. Hindi ganda siya kadaming gunk na nakuha. Pero ang ganda ng effect niya. I'm not using any filter. I'm just using iPhone camera and a warm ring light. So this is really nice. Yan lang. Tapos moisturizer na ako. So ito na yung moisturizer na gagamitin ko. So gaya yung gawa nila, gawin natin siyang parang sleeping mask. Scoop natin like that. And then you apply it here. Pero mas gusto ko kamay ko gamitin. And maganda daw yung effect nito. Para kang glass skin. Let's see. Sana hindi ako mag-breakout kasi mahal ang derma. This is the fairest layer. I will add the eye serum first. Eye serum. Also from Originote. Oopsie. Here I will put them here. Okay, now and then I'll make like that. Sana mawala yung puff. Sobrang puffy ng eye area ko. I think I need to keep my hair. And then another layer ng moisturizer. Ito yung madalas na dry eh, so I need to hydrate this area much more. Tsaka dito. Let's put more. Tomorrow, pagising ko, magbe-video ulit ako kahit wala pa akong lamas. Ginagawa kasi nila itong sleeping mask. Sana rin mapantay ko yung kulay ko. Mostly dito part. Tapos, I'm gonna put acne cream dito sa active pimples. Konti lang kasi this is more with this product. So tomorrow, sana umimpis na siya. Kasi I have a date with my girlfriends. Yeah. That's it. So, morning lang ako naglalagay ng vitamin C. Tomorrow morning routine nyo abangan. Bye.